Night falls, and something surprising happens. The shark has bitten into the sleeve of the diver's wetsuit. Its mouth protrudes to create the typical goblin shark shape. It happened suddenly when the shark turned to avoid the camera and ran into the diver's arm. The teeth are sunk deep into the sleeve of the wetsuit, trapping the shark. Finally, the shark frees itself. His mouth reverts to its original shape.